Triumph has revealed striking new color schemes for its 2026 motorcycle lineup, bringing fresh visual appeal to the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400X. These new designs balance refined aesthetics with dynamic energy, giving both models a bold new look while staying true to their individual character. The Speed 400 now offers two distinctive new paint options. The first is a classic and elegant two-tone combination featuring pearl metallic white and phantom black, highlighted by a royal gold stripe across the tank. For riders looking for a sportier edge, the second option delivers a more aggressive feel with lava red gloss and storm gray, finished with a graphite tank stripe and matte silver ice mudguards, creating a bold and modern profile. Meanwhile, the Scrambler 400X embraces its adventurous spirit with a vibrant new colorway. A standout two-tone fuel tank in Baja orange and aluminium is paired with rugged matte silver ice mudguards, phantom black side panels, and matte phantom black fork protectors. The result is a look that emphasizes the Scrambler's off-road capability while adding a fresh dose of visual excitement. With these updated designs, Triumph continues to push the boundaries of style and performance in the small capacity segment, offering riders more personality and presence in two of its most accessible models.